Isn't it a marvelously warm and sunny day? Having fun, babies? Oh no! What's happening? The city is covered in snow! Brr, looks like it just got cold. Slow down, babies. That can be dangerous. Wait, what's that machine? Look, a snowman. But who's behind it? Watch out! Zitron's machine changed the weather. You have to switch it off. Careful! Come on! You almost got him! Good shot, Robo! Now get the machine! You did it! Oh no! That didn't work! Any other ideas? Come on, you can do it! The snow is too strong! Thank you for the help, Edna! Oh no! The babies are freezing! Quick, Robo! You have to do something! The storm is too strong! Watch out! This is really bad. Robo! Edna! It's time to fuse. Robo Edna to the rescue! Can you help them? Great job! Now let's stop this winter! Come on, Robo Edna! You can do it! Go, Robo Edna! You did it, Robo Edna! You stopped winter! Car City is sunny and bright again!
Wow! Great skills, Amber! Come on, Dane! It's time to score! What a great catch, Matilda! You're an amazing goalkeeper! What's that toy, Zitron? Wait, that robot looks familiar. Oh no! You built an evil robot that looks like Robo! This is bad! Matilda, Amber, and Dane are in danger! Guys, be careful! That's so mean! Robo! Zitron has built an evil robot that looks like you! You have to do something! Hey, evil robot, clean that up. Hey, Matilda, it's so good you're here. You have to stop whoever's littering the park. No, you got it wrong, Matilda. Robo didn't do anything. It was the evil robot. Don't arrest him, Matilda. He's innocent. This is all your fault, Zitron. Oh no! The evil meter is all the way up now! Dane, watch out! Oh no! Ouch! Are you okay, Dane? I wish Robo could do something, but he's in jail! The evil robot did this, Matilda. And it's being controlled by Zitron. See? You arrested the wrong Robo. Now we have to stop Robo's evil twin. He's so evil. Matilda, do you want to help Robo? Time to fuse. Come on, Robo Matilda, stop that evil robot. Leave Amber alone, you bully. Quick, Robo Matilda, use your shield. Yes! Now, use the rope. Well done! He's a good robot now. Quick! It's time to stop Zitron now! Throw the banana peel! Now! It worked! Zitron, you're under arrest. Now everything is back to normal. And you also made a new friend. Hi, babies! The octopus coaster looks fun. Whee! The amusement park is the best! You are stained with mud! Oh no! If Zitron is here, something bad is going to happen. Look who is coming to help you, Chili! Good job, Robo!
Hey!
Zitron, what are you doing? What was that? I'm sure this is Zitron's fault. You should help them. Be careful, Marley. Don't get stuck. Very good, Marley. Bring him back, Marley. Oh no! With the weight of the two of them, Marley got stuck. It's useless. You'd better go and help them, Robo. Be careful. Take it easy, Robo. Come on, you're almost there. Time to pull. Very good. Come on, guys. Almost there. A little more. Good job. That's it. Slowly, carefully. Zitron! Watch out, babies! Are you okay, babies? I think there is only one thing you can do. Marley, do you want to fuse with Robo?
Hey!
Robo Marley to the rescue! Very good! The baby trucks are now safe, but there is still Zitron. Amazing, Robo Marley! He's stuck in the mud! Seriously, Zitron? After all he's done, you're asking for his help now? Robo Marley, you'd better help him. Come on, a little more? Good! That's it! Oh no! Watch out, Robo Marley! Well done, babies! You saved Robo Marley!
Guys, what's wrong?
Oh no! Evil Zitron is wreaking havoc again! Matilda, watch out! Enough shenanigans, you evil thug! Robo is here to stop you! That's all you got?
Why is he laughing like that?
Crocomile
And Marley Hulk?
It's a team of villains! Matilda, you have to seek help! This is a disaster, Robo! Those three will destroy the city!
What's that noise?
It's the Avengers! Well done, Matilda! Thanks, Thor! Robo is free now! Oh no! The team of villains are already making a mess! Marley Hulk is destroying Massimo's tire shop! Crocomile is sowing chaos at Carrie's restaurant! And Zitron is causing trouble at Town Hall! You'll have to split up, guys. Time to stop the bad guys! Hey! Leave Massimo alone, you crook! That's right! Teach him a lesson, Spider Truck! Watch out! You're not so cocky now, are you? Only 2 more to go! Come on, guys! I know you can defeat Crocomile!
Do you have a plan? What's up your sleeve, Iron Truck?
See you later, alligator! Well done, Avengers! Oh no! Zitron is going to take the city power! This was your plan all along, wasn't it? Robo! Matilda! You have to do something! It's time to fuse!
Robo Matilda to the rescue! Ready to dance, Zitron? Well done!
Hey!
Wow, that was amazing! Ready to give up? Not so fast! Bullseye! Do you want to see your friends, Zitron? Aw, look at that! All the buddies together again. I hope you learned your lesson, guys. Working on the new building, guys? Great job, Dane. You're gonna build it in no time. What's happening? Oh no! Zitron turned them giant and evil! They're destroying everything! Help! Looks like Zitron is creating an army. You have to stop them, Robo! Come on, let's get them! Oh, you're gonna need something to distract them. They're following Edna! Now's your chance, Robo! This chaos is about to be over, Zitron. You almost got it! Is that Edna? Oh no, she's trapped! She needs your help, Robo! Oh no! The wrecking ball is going to hit Edna! Great job! Now let's get Edna out of the trap. Where did they go? They're heading for the city! You have to get to them before they destroy Car City! What a mess! Oh no! They're terrorizing the Car City inhabitants! There's Zitron! You need to stop him! Edna, Robo, it's time to fuse. Robo Edna is here to save Car City. You need to get Gary and Carrie first. Nice one, Robo. Now let's stop Zitron. Say goodbye to your army. This mayhem is over. You did it, Robo Edna! You saved Car City! Not so fast, Zitron. Finally, everyone's back to normal. That's it, Zitron. Clean up the mess you caused.
The race is finally here. Marley, Zitron, ready? 3, 2, 1, Oh no! Zitron has a reactor! Zitron is using the reactor to cheat! That's not a fair race! Uh-oh! The reactor is out of control! Marley! Watch out! Rodeo, Booster, time to merge. Do you want to intercept Zitron? Be careful. Zitron is too fast. Oh no, you're losing him! You can do it, Robo! Yes! You got him! He's getting away! Oh no, it's getting dangerous! Matilda, watch out! Zitron is causing a mess! Now go get Zitron! Oh no! Frank needs your help! There he is! The reactor stopped at last. Quick, Robo! You need to merge! Cool! Frank has equipped you to fight the fire! Nice job, Robo! Zitron, watch out for the kiosk! Let the race begin! Now that was a good race! Are you having a cake eating competition? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no! It's a ghost! Huh? Does the ghost want some cake? Uh-oh! Carrie? Walter? Oh dear, the cakes! Yay! Rodeo won! And now, round 2. Yikes! The ghost stole the cakes! Time to merge! Are you looking for the ghost? He's getting away!
Oh.
Phew! Great save, Robo! Dane, watch out! Robo, there's the ghost! Matilda, watch out for the trolley! Marley, look out! Oh no! The trolley will fall on Marley! Whoa! What a mess! Whoops! He got away again! Whoa! A ghost that drives on melted ice cream? Uh-oh! What is this ghost up to? Time to merge, Robo. Who will it be? Carries umbrella rotor, candy gun, and candy gluer. Sweet! Oh no! The ghost will drown! Robo, look out! No! He got away again! Yes! You finally did it! Now who will Robo compete with? Can you forgive Chad? Yeah, let's play some basketball. Go Marley! This is so much fun! Zitron, do you want to join them? Everyone is waiting for you, Zitron. Not cool, Zitron. Oh no! Zitron has taken the ball again! Zitron is being a bully! Robo, Booster, time to merge! There is Zitron! Oh no! Marley is about to land on Barry! Phew! Barry is safe and happy. Zitron seems to be having fun. Robo, I think Zitron wants a game with you. Nice shot! Zitron, that's cheating. You need to unfreeze Robo. Marley, please get the ball. Zitron has frozen the ball. Ouch! That must hurt. Final round, guys. Marley, are you ready? Woohoo! How exciting! Guys, we need to see some shots. What? No! No more flying basketball. Time to merge, Robo. Marley's back booster, spring legs, and spring arms? Good choice! Oh my! That was a double shot! Zitron, what are you up to? Yes, Robo! Show him what you're made of! Bullseye!
Hey!
Yes! Perfectly done!
Hey!
A fair game is much more fun.